Hey, what's happening, everybody? Welcome, guys. Hey, if you requested information on my post, I'm going to show you guys how I'm getting this free crypto. How am I getting this free coin? This is my Bitcoin account. Okay, I'm logged in. As you can see, today is what 6/24, June 24th. This is what Bitcoin is standing at right now. At what time is it? 10 minutes to 10 o'clock in the morning. And so this is my account. I have 73,341.07 in there, which is pretty good. I did all of that with free coin, guys. I only put in $110 one time, and I'm getting this. You're looking at this, man. This is amazing. Let me show you how I'm doing it. It's this account. It's these free coins. Now, the law is that we could trade any crypto for any other crypto 100% legally, without penalty because they're all decentralized and deregulated. So there's a free token that I use. It's called Swift Demand. Now, what happens is this. As you see, in my Swift Demand account, I have over 100,000 coin in there, 100,000 free coin that I am trading dollar for dollar. So this is $102,000 of free coin. And you see this clock ticking. This tells me that I'm going to get another $100 in free coin in 9 hours, right? So I'm getting this free coin every 12 to 24 hours. I just claimed today, as you can see, I let my coin build up for 7 days because as far as you can go. After the seventh day, you can't claim. You lose 100 if you don't be claimed everything. Your wallet can only go up to 700. After that, you'll lose 100 if you go to eighth day. So sometimes I forget. But on this day, which is today, you see, I claimed 700 on this day, snatched that free coin up, right? I let it build up. That's how I do. Like you see on this last claim, I let it build up. That's how I do. But you can claim yours every day, 100. Now, this is how they do it. When you first come in, you get 100 in free coin. When you do your qualifying trade, like I said, I put in $110 one time. I think it's 125. I put in 125 one time. Then after that, I start sharing this with other people. You see all the people I've been bringing in and giving this to. And you'll see right here where my referral bonus, everybody I refer in, see my referral bonus? I get 500 more coins, which means that's 500 more dollars because I'm trading them dollar for dollar. So a lot of people are like, wow, how you making all of this free coin? It's free. All you have to do is operate according to the law of cryptocurrency. Anybody can do this. All that investing and all of that stuff, you don't have to do all of that, guys. Follow something that's working. Look, so I'm giving people this free coin, right? They're getting it every day for free. Every day they're claiming 100 every 12 to 24 hours. Plus they're claiming another 500 every time they bring somebody in. You see my referral bonuses right here. And as you can see, the income claims are just crazy. That's all you see is income claims. I'm claiming this free stuff every day. Right, look, this income claim is 500 because I waited 5 days. Look at the referral bonuses though, and it goes on and on, man. I mean, as you can see, I've been doing this a long time. I've bought cars, I've bought homes, all of that. Look at this, how far back this goes. This is all the way back in the last year. Okay, right? And I can go year. Look at this, back in December, right, of the year before last. You see what I'm saying? I can continue to go, guys, because I've been doing this for years with this coin. And so I'm trying to show you guys how you can make free money. Now, what I do is when I make my money, right, I'm investing in something that's going to help me. So I'm investing in 999.9 silver and gold, right? I'm investing in gold, and I'm getting all of this stuff for free because this is free coin. Let me show you something that's super excited about our community, and we have our own ecosystem. Let me show you something. So now, not only can I take this free coin and take possession of Bitcoin, cash, whatever, I also have a store back here. Now, I believe one of my members has just gotten on this store. He said his name is Wilfred. He has his stuff set up over here. So now look here, man. We have a store. Here's Wilfred right here. As I said, he has his own travel saving secrets back here. You can get 400 in coin and get that from Wilfred. You see, we have everything, right? We have training sites, everything back here in our ecosystem that can be purchased with this 102,000 of free coin. Not only that, let me show you why I'm able to do this. A lot of people say, well, how are you guys able to do that? Let me go to the fact. Now, on my fact, there's something here that you must understand about crypto. When you hear this and I break it down to you, you're going to understand totally. So now this is a currency that anyone can use around the world because it's a digital currency, it's a token, and it can be used in any country. So it says our SWIFT tied to real world currency. So now check this out. No, it is not. It's not tied to any real world currency. It can be traded for anything because it's a token. So check this out. SWIFT are not tied to real world currency in any way and do not represent a specific amount of currency or value in any form. So that means it doesn't represent anything. We can put our own amount on what it is that we do. It states it here. SWIFT are only worth as much as someone else is willing to pay for them. So within my ecosystem that I've created, we have it set at $1 per coin. So that means that each one of these hundreds of thousands of dollars that you see is worth $1 because that's what we set it at within our ecosystem. And we can do that 100% legally because the company gives us that option. Do you guys see this? This is free money, free coin. People ask me how I do it. So now I'm showing you how it is that I do it. So what I did a little better, I went even further. I just set up some new accounts with my Cryptonet Global, right? So over here at Cryptonet Global, you'll see that I have my members in here. We have our own trading platform. Not only that, we have our own cryptocurrency training academy. Bitcoin Training Academy, guys. So now my members can learn about Bitcoin. So now we're providing education. All you 125 to get all of this value and to receive free coin every day that you could trade for gold and silver. Guys, this thing is amazing. Look, we have our own training academy. What is cryptocurrency? That's one of the topics with its own video. What is Bitcoin? That's a topic with its own video. Okay, guys, this thing is crazy. Who invented Bitcoin? It breaks down Satoshi Nakamoto and his vision. What was the first thing purchased with Bitcoin? We are over here just really killing the game, man, with what it is we're doing. We're updating the sites because we're putting new content in here. Why cryptocurrency? It breaks it down for you, right? Then we also touch up on one of the greatest things to me is what cryptocurrency is doing to change the world. And we also discuss the collapse of the US dollar, which we're all familiar with that. So as you can see, we have a full academy. We have digital downloads back here. You can get your guides. These are 100% free when you become a member. Plus, we have our own video library. Check out our video library. We have so much content, guys, and you're making free money every day. Every day. Imagine making $500 to $1,000 every day, just like I am doing. That is what's happening, man. We're making this money every day and we're teaching people Bitcoin. We're not just giving out something and people are not earning from it. So imagine being able to take this free coin that you're getting every day in 8 hours and 58 minutes. I'm getting another 100 free and I'm trading that every day with people like Kathy and Netta and Joggy Boy. You see my team members up here? These is coins that I'm sending them when they paid. They sent 100, I sent 105 because the company charges like $5 for 5 coins every time you send out 100. So I set 105, 102 to make sure it hits 100 when they get it. So imagine being able to make free money each and every day. Each and every day. Free $100, $200, $500. Today, I'm already at about $400 today on June the 24th. Before the end of the night, I will be have made another $1,000 trading what? Free coin. So yeah, you did right for asking for information on my post, or if someone sent you this video and because you asked them for information, you made the right choice because we're over here making free money, transferring it into silver and 999.9 gold bullion. Okay, this is a serious game, guys. You need to be in here with us, learning how to do this. So if you want to start making money today, giving away something for free, if you want to start making anywhere from $500 to $1,000 per day, giving away something that is 100% free to you, join my team over here, Cryptonet Global. I'm going to walk you through. We have our webinars and our conferences, our trainings. We have a training team that's off the chain. You're going to be taken by the hand. We're going to order your debit card. We operate with crypto.com. If you don't have a crypto.com debit card, we're going to help you to get your own debit card. So everything that you make over here, everything you make over here is going to fall onto that debit card. Then you can take that debit card and pay your bills, go buy a car, do what I do. I just bought another car, buy silver and gold, but it's all free. Imagine living for free now. Imagine don't have to worry about bills because all you got to do is give away something for free. Guys, this is amazing. So thanks for stopping by my little brief 10-minute video. I wanted to make sure that I broke this down because people are always asking me how I do it. So I just basically showed you, and I would like to welcome you to Cryptonet Global. Come on and join the team and start making free money every day. This is your man KR. Take care.